Hello everyone, welcome back to Njeri Veewave Enterprises YouTube channel, where we talk about construction management, property development, and real estate investment in Kenya, especially for Kenyans in the diaspora. Today, we are shining a light on something often overlooked: steel tanks and stands, and why they are one of the smartest investments you can make for your property in Kenya. Every property, whether it is a home, apartment, or commercial building, needs a reliable water storage system. And that is where steel tanks and stands come in. They are built to handle heavy use, withstand harsh weather conditions, and ensure you always have a steady and safe water supply. Let's talk about what makes steel tanks such a great choice. 1. Durability. Steel tanks are made to last for years with minimal maintenance. 2. Strength. They can hold large volumes of water safely without bending or cracking. 3. Safety. Properly sealed steel tanks protect your water from contamination and sunlight. 4. Customizable. You can get your steel tank designed and fabricated to suit your exact property needs, whether for domestic, commercial, or industrial use. And finally, aesthetic appeal. With modern finishing, they can blend beautifully with your property design. Now, let's not forget the tank stand. Your tank's reliability depends heavily on the strength of its stand. A professionally fabricated steel stand provides the perfect balance of height, stability, and safety. It helps you maintain consistent water pressure and prevent accidents caused by weak or poorly constructed structures. At Veewave Enterprises, we understand that getting the right tank and stand and ensuring it's properly installed can be challenging, especially for clients abroad. That's why we offer construction management services, connecting you with reliable suppliers, skilled fabricators, and experienced installers across Kenya. We supervise the process, ensure quality control, and make sure everything is done on time and within budget. Whether you are building your dream home, managing rentals, or setting up a commercial space, a steel tank and a stand are long-term assets that guarantee safety, convenience, and reliability. It's one of those small decisions that make a big difference in your property's overall value. If you're planning a project and need help finding or installing a reliable steel water tank and stand, Veewave Enterprises is here to help. We will connect you with professionals who deliver quality, supervise your project, and make sure your investment truly pays off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone building or upgrading their property in Kenya. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.